Hi everyone, welcome back to FixBond. Today, we're troubleshooting a common issue with the DJI Mini series. The owner has to press the power button multiple times or use extreme force just to turn it on. This is usually caused by oxidation on the micro switch or the base contact points, but as I dug deeper, I found more surprises. The gimbal is throwing multiple error codes, a signal wire is snapped, and even though we got the image transmission back, the camera focus is completely blurred. In this FixBond session, I'll show you how we replace the power switch, swap the gimbal signal cable, and fix a physically damaged lens barrel to get this drone back in the sky. Let's get to work.